So, what are the implications of all these factory closures? I guess it was inevitable, and I think a lot of them, whilst maybe temporary in being closed, they're certainly going to have to really understand what it is going to take to put the whole thing back together again. I don't mean that derogatory. Is that the word? Yes, I think so. Because, the supply chain's been shut off. So anything that you may want in the future, it may have to go through a bit of an ordering process to get it. Certainly we know there's some decent motorhome deals on the ground at the moment in the UK, but let's be honest about it, nobody seems to have been able to grasp the situation because of the closures of not just the factories but the dealerships as well. So we were talking to our friendly dealer, and they really do want to help people. We've said this before in previous videos, but now it's actually beginning to happen because we're beginning to get all their stock onto the available-today.com website. It means that the videos are there, the descriptions are there, and the people are there, i.e. online, to answer any queries that you may have. And that has begun to really make a difference to people because, when we come out of this terrible thing, hopefully sooner than later, we'll be able to focus on the people who wanted a deal, the people who did a deal and now can take delivery of their motorhome, and also the people who've been thinking about it and just not been able to grasp what to do. This is really good, and of course if you just want to know who it is, the major dealer, it's Derby Motorhomes. They seem to have everything going at the moment because Autosleepers, a long-established motorhome dealer, have really got behind this to help the stock know where it is. Although the factory is currently closed, I'm sure those gates will open soon and the flow of vehicles, sold orders and everything will continue. Just give it your best, that's all we can say, and have a look. Take a look online at derbymotorhomes.com. If you go to available-today.com and just find yourself in the virtual showroom, you'll see their new and used vehicles for anybody to have a good look round, and the guys are online to take a request or any answers or questions. Bye.